Meet Esca Pharma, professional skin care and single-use ampoules formulated for visible, fast results. Esca Pharma offers concentrated topical, non-injectable solutions for skin beauty. Our skincare ampoules help with skin issues depending on individual needs. Designed as hygienic, single-use glass doses, Esca Pharma ampoules protect potent actives from oxidation and contamination. Esca Pharma ampoules deliver clinical strength in a convenient format, perfect as a quick boost or a short, intensive treatment cycle. Our skincare ampoules target specific concerns: deep hydration, brightening, tightening, pore refining, and revitalization. High concentrations of actives mean visible texture improvement after just one application, while short treatment courses deliver cumulative benefits over time. Use ampoules on clean, dry skin. Shake, open with the ampoule opener, pour into the palm, and massage over face, neck, and décolleté. Follow with moisturizer and sunscreen. Ampoules can be used as a one-time boost or in short treatment cycles depending on your needs. Most ampoule treatments can be used daily, repeated in short cycles or every few months for maintenance. Carefully attention to the instruction before their use. Ampoules contain minimal preservatives. Use immediately after opening and perform a patch test on first use. Store in a cool, dark place. Esca Pharma. Targeted, professional care in every ampoule and fast results, hygienic delivery, and formulas designed to restore and strengthen. Discover your treatment today.